Welcome to the 24.5 release, which is full of goodies to save you time, plus some important Cloud Foundation updates. Let's check it out. Adobe Experience Manager is built to deliver customer experience management in the era of AI. Generative AI is unlocking intent-based experiences and allowing brands to scale out the creation of content and experiences. We do this in three areas. First, by empowering content creators everywhere to create great content, driving great performant experiences that delight consumers, and using predictive insights to share what content is working and what experiences you should focus on next. So let's start with the feature that saves time right when you go to upload assets, a new option to choose how an asset is published if that's needed. Watch what happens when I upload a bunch of images into assets. Simply dragging and dropping, I now have a new option with publish options at the bottom of the upload screen. Now, depending on what's already preset for that folder, some will be grayed out, but I can choose whether an upload is complete. Do I publish these images? And if I'm a dynamic media customer, I can also select that. Note in this case, my folder already has that option preset, so an admin can configure if these publish options are set or not, but allows me to go in and additionally choose other options as well. So this is a great new enhancement to save you time, less clicks, and get you to that result faster. Development on the new Universal Editor continues with 3 new enhancements that you can take advantage of. Being able to set the page properties right there in the Universal Editor, enhancements to the spreadsheet view with new pagination and scroll, and the ability to caption text in images. Okay, so you've been able to set metadata properties by going to the Properties tab, but we thought we would make it even easier. Right in the Universal Editor, when I've got the page open, I can just click on the page and open the properties and make some changes immediately. That's saving a lot of effort. So here I can even go and add a new keyword, put the value in, and know that it's saved. If I go back to the normal page properties, that content's everywhere. AEM Forms has a new migration tool to move from foundation components to core components. This unlocks the capability to leverage a lot of the enhancements that core components unlock, such as the ability to use headless forms for cross-channel purposes. Adaptive form authors can now leverage 2 new captcha services that are able to integrate via drag and drop. Both captcha and Cloudflare's Turnstile offer new services to make the forms more protected from bots. This is a simple authoring experience to just drag and drop one of these new services onto the form to offer better protection for form fillers. In Cloud Foundation, AEM now supports integration via OAuth server-to-server credentials. You will need to reset the credentials for any JWT-based integration that was set up via Adobe Developer Console and switch to OAuth, either before the credential expires or before January 27, 2025, whichever comes first. You may have received an email from Adobe that looks like the one on the screen, outlining which services need migration. Additional changes to Cloud Foundation include enhancements for rapid developer environments, the ability to leverage front-end themes and templates, enhanced logging, plus extra modes for the command line interface. And finally, if a DDoS attack was to occur on your environment, we'll of course block the traffic, but notify you via email in case you want to adjust the configuration. So these are just some of the highlights from this recent release. For more information, check out the release notes at the link provided. Also, we'd love to talk to you on Experience League, so come and join the community.